Good morning. In last class we have discussed about ascending order. Now descending order. Next bit is our descending order. So fourth bit, write the
అవి చాక్ పీస్ కొడతాను చేతి పడుకొని వచ్చిన
write the following integers in descending order. Descending order is nothing but bigger number to smaller number. We have to arrange the integers in bigger integers to smaller integers. So first one in this -2, -3, -5. So from this given integers we have to arrange them in bigger integer to smaller integer. So first we write the given integers. Given -2, -3, -5. Now you draw a number line. Already I told you in last class how to arrange the integers in ascending order. Ascending order means you will take from left side. The values will arrange them from left side. Now in integers we will be having positive numbers, negative numbers along with 0. Along with 0. So given numbers you round off here, they have given as -2, -3 and -5. So how we have to arrange? We have to arrange in descending order. Descending order means we have to take from right side onwards. What is the right side number here? That is -2. So first number will be -2, next number will be -3 and last smallest integer is in given set is so second one -8, -2, -1. So given -8, -2, -1. So first you draw a number line. So all are negative integers, so I am taking only one or two positive integers here. And -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9 and so on. So first round of the integers what they have given, that is -8. Next one is -2 and last one is -1. So how to rearrange in descending order? Arrange from right side onwards. That is descending order of the given integers is, what is the first right number? That is -1. After that is -2 and last smallest integer in given set is -8. Next one 5, 8, -2. So this integer also we have to arrange in descending order. Given 5, 8, -2. Now draw a number line. Positive integers, negative integers, so what are the given integers first round off? That is 5, next is 8 and last one is -2. So arrange in descending order. How we have to arrange in descending order? Right from right side onwards. First number is 8, after that 5 and smallest number in the given set is -2. So this is how we will arrange the numbers in descending order. So next bit. So next bit is represent 4 6 -4 0 and 4 on your number line. So we have to represent on your number line. Given numbers, given integers, you have to represent on your number line. So represent 6, -4, 0 and 4 on your number line. So for integers now, so integers number line, how you can write in integers number line? We will be having positive numbers, negative numbers along with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 and so on. And in negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and so on. So what we have to do, we have to represent them. Represent is just round off the values. First number is 6. Next one is -4. Where is -4 here? Next is 0. And last number is 4. So this is how you represent the given numbers on a number line. So next is 6th bit, fill the missing integers on a number line given below. They have given only some integers. Remaining all you have to fill. Just do the 6th one and 7th bit as homework. Sixth bit and 7th bit do it as homework. 6th bit only have to write the numbers which are missing. And in 7th bit, the temperature of 5 cities in India on a particular day are shown on a number line below. They have given a number line and also they have given the temperatures of the cities. So by seeing that number line, you have to answer the given questions. So the 6th one and 7th one do it as homework. Next is exercise 2. Already I told you about addition of integers. So in this exercise 2, we are going to do addition of integers now. So in this first bit is represent the following addition on a number line. So we have to add on a number line now. So represent the following addition on a number line. So what is the first bit in this? 5 plus 7. So two integers they have given. 5 is also an integer, 7 is also an integer. So we have to add this 5 plus 7 on a number line. So before going that, already I told you if it is a positive side, positive number, we have to move to right side, and if it is a negative number, we have to move to left side. Now draw a number line of integers. Here 5 is also a positive number, 7 is also a positive number. So take only 2 or 3 negative integers. 1, 2, 3. And so on. So first number, what is the first number here? 5. 5 is having a positive sign. So positive means we have to go to right side from 0 to 5. So I am moving to right side, that is plus 5. Next is 7. 7 is also having a positive sign. That means you have to move again right side only. How many times you have to move? 7 times you have to move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the result here? The result is 12. So plus 7. So you got the result as 12. So therefore what you will write here? 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. Next is second one, do it as homework. I will give you the question. Second one is 5 plus 2. So this do it as homework. Same as first one you have to do. Third one, 5 plus of minus 2. 5 plus of minus 2. So given 5 plus of minus 2. Here every time we are seeing double sign, so convert into single sign. So 5 plus into minus will be minus 2. Plus into minus will be minus, and 2 I am writing as this. Now draw a number line. -1, -2, -3 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So what is the first number here? 5. 5 is a positive number. So positive number means we have to move to right side. So 0 to 5. I am moving to right side because it is a positive number. Next is 2. 2 is having a negative sign. Negative sign means we have to move to left side from 5. How many times we have to move? 2 times. It is 1, 2. So what is the result here? I am moving to left side. That is -2. The result is 3. So 5 minus 2 is equals to how much? 3. So last one is 5 plus of -7. Same as third one we have to do. First make the double sign into single sign. So 5 as it is. For 7 we are seeing double sign 6 at a time. Plus into minus will be -7. So draw a number line now. And so on. So 5 is a positive number. You are not seeing any sign, that means it is having a plus sign. So if it is a plus sign, we have to move to right side. So 5 is a positive number. From 0 you have to take till 5. This is plus 5. Next is -7. 7 is having negative sign. So we have to move to left side. So how many times we have to move? 7 times we have to move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the result you have got? We have moved to left side because it is a negative sign. So result is -2. So therefore 5 minus 7 is equals to -2. So next bit. Now without the help of a number line, we have to solve the bits now. Without using number line, we are going to solve it. Compute the following. So first one in this. So 7 plus 4. So what I have given? 7 plus 4. What is 7 plus 4? 7 plus 4 is equals to 11. Next. Second one, 8 plus -3. So here you are seeing double sign, so convert into single sign. So given 8 plus of -3. So 8 as it is you write, plus into minus is -3. So 8 minus 3 is how much? 5. Next one. 11 plus 3. Already is a simple addition. 11 plus 3 is equals to 14. Next is 14 plus of -6. Again you are seeing the double signs together. So given 14 plus of -6. So 14 plus into minus is -6. So 14 minus 6 is 8. Next is 9 plus of -7. Again you are seeing the double sign. So given 9 plus into minus is first write the equation here. So 9 write as is, double sign make it into single sign, plus into minus is 7. So 9 minus 7 is how much? 2. So in the same way, remaining bits also you have to do. 14 plus of minus 10. Given 14 plus of minus 10, double sign we make into single sign. 14 plus into minus is minus 10. So 14 minus 10 is 4. Seventh, 13 plus of minus 15. So they have given us 13 plus of minus 15. So 13 write as it is, double sign make into single sign, plus into minus is minus 15. So here 13 sign is what? Plus. We are not having any sign, that means we are taking it as plus. Plus into minus is minus. 15 minus 13. From bigger number you subtract the smaller number. 15 minus 13 is 2. Keep the bigger number sign. Place a bigger number sign here in 13 and 15. 15 is a bigger number. So I am taking the bigger number sign as minus. So what is the result? Minus 2. Eighth one. 4 plus of minus 4. 4 plus into minus is minus. I am writing 4 as it is. 4 minus 4 will be 0. So remaining bits you can do it as homework. Ninth one is 10 plus of minus 2 in the same way how we did the before problems. 100 plus minus 18. Last one is 225 plus minus 145. So these three problems do it as homework. Next is subtraction of integers. Already we learned how to do subtraction, the same how we will do the addition of integers. In the same way we have to do subtraction of integers also. Now exercise 3. So in exercise 3, first bit is again a number line. So we have to subtract the integers on a number line now. So represent the following subtraction on a number line. So we are doing the subtraction in a number line. So first one is 7 minus 2. So we have to subtract 7 and 2 here. 7 is also an integer, 2 is also an integer. Between two integers we are having minus sign. That is we have to do subtraction. So already I told you if it is a positive sign we have to move to right side. If it is a negative sign we have to move to left side. So first draw a number line, integers number line here. Minus 1, minus 2 and so on. So 7 is a positive number, you are not having any sign, that means it is a positive number. If it is a positive number we have to move to right side. So 0, 2, 7. This is what? Plus 7. Next is 2. 2 is having negative sign. Negative sign means we have to move to left side. How many times we have to move? 2 times we have to move. 1, 2. So what is the result here? 5. So this is I am moving to left side, that is minus 2. Now what is the result here? Therefore 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. Next one, 8 minus of minus 7. Given 8 minus of minus 7. Double sign we make it into single sign first. 8 8. Minus into minus is plus 7. So this is also in the same way you have to draw a number line. So do this one as homework. All on right side all positive numbers, on left side all negative numbers. Continue this one as homework. Thank you.